Hello everyone, welcome back to Lexi's World. Today I'm going to make chicken fried rice with vegetables, but I'm going to use quinoa in this fried rice, alright? So the first item I'm going to have, this is my chicken. I use chicken breast. So I have a pound of chicken breast here. I'm going to cut it up and season it up. The quinoa is already cooked, and what I did, I cooked it and then I let it go in the fridge for a bit, so it's overnight quinoa. I use one red pepper, I have a yellow pepper, and then I have my onion. We have corn, carrots, and peas in here. I have my scotch bonnet, but I'm going to use half, and I have some green onions, alright? I'm going to put a tablespoon of the special grace seasoning. I have half of a teaspoon of black pepper. I will use half of a teaspoon of garlic powder. And I have half of a teaspoon of seasoned salt. I have oyster sauce. I'm just going to put a tip of oyster sauce in. So I have grapeseed oil. I'm going to use 3 tablespoons of grapeseed oil. I'm going to saute this in here a little bit. I'm going to add a bit more of the soy sauce. Okay? I'm using 1/3, that's 80 ml of soy sauce. So at this point, I'm just going to add my, I have a bit of mixed vegetables, frozen mixed vegetables. I'm going to start adding in my quinoa, alright? So like when I'm cooking my quinoa, I didn't really fully cook it, alright? So there's all my soy sauce. substitute my rice and I use quinoa here. All right, I use chicken breast and lots of vegetables, and also I added 2 eggs, but a non-stick pan so I can get the dryness in the rice. Okay, so here's my chicken first. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to please like, share, and subscribe on this channel.